It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Here in San Diego, outdoor living space can be just as important to our lifestyle as indoor space. Because of how valuable our real estate is, oftentimes we're working with smaller outdoor spaces. Today, Chris Brown from System Pavers joins us to help us learn the keys to getting the most out of a smaller outdoor space. And there's a lot you can do. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
So what is the most important starting point?
Well, the key to any great design is to really start with you, the homeowner and the user of that space. How are you going to live in that space? What's your lifestyle? That's where we like to start.
Okay, so we're looking at two different design elements in really virtually the same space, the same dimensions. What's the first one?
Well, both of these yards, as you said, are the same, 15 feet deep by 45 feet wide. And this is maybe a family with 2 children or some pets, and they need a large play area. So we have an artificial turf that's low maintenance, that will stay green all year round. And that's sort of the heart of the design. And then we have a barbecue, a water feature, and a built-in fire pit area where you can entertain your friends.
That's right. So the parent can go over, have a glass of wine by the fire pit, the kids can play and
right.
do their thing. There's lots of different scenarios that you can do with the family and not have to get up and mow the lawn.
Absolutely.
All right. What about the second design then? What do we have there?
Well, this is maybe for a family, the kids have moved out, or you don't have children, and you just like the traditional European Mediterranean garden style courtyard. So over here we do have the fire pit as well, but and the water feature, but we've dedicated a dining area with a barbecue off to the side so that you can still have dinner parties and do all the things you want to do with your family.
All right, so again, keep in mind that this is the same space for both, and you can make it look any which way which fits the family.
That's right. It can be completely catered to whatever you need.
Okay, so if somebody's not happy with their outdoor space then, what do you recommend?
Well, we recommend you call us at System Pavers and set up a free design consultation, and we'll be happy to meet with you and talk about how you envision using your yard and how we can help you with your problems.
All right, thanks so much. Good information. With a 20% discount and zero interest financing until 2019, now is the perfect time to realize your design goals and make your outdoor space an extension of your living area. Call System Pavers at 619-312-6760.